Back in my fun little laundry room, and there's been significant progress on my costume, primarily to two people that have really helped me out quite a bit. Ken Granger, who is former military and retired from Microsoft, helped me a lot. And then my friend Manik over in Ireland, he spent quite a few hours helping me as well. Ken helped me a lot. He suggested this Ethernet powered adapter to communicate the Raspberry Pi, which is underneath here, to the computer. And then I have a servo bonnet on top. Ken also helped me figure out how to program some of the buttons to run some of the servos, and then Manik helped me really get the complicated programming done so I could have random servos here on the flutter for the blue button, and then they all open up just like so. And then I can close them and they'll shut, and then after that they go back to random. And that's been the big thing. I've spent over a month and a half, almost 2 months trying to figure out Python coding, and I didn't know anything about it. So thanks for those two guys helping me out quite a bit. So with all that coding done, I can get back to the mechanics to try to make this work, open and close and do its little magic here. So I'm doing some different tests, trying to figure some of this out. And it might be a couple weeks before I update again, but stay tuned and we'll show you the progress as we keep going. Thanks.